Hi, it's Sheila from She's a Sassy Lady, and today I'm going to do a quick video. This is going to be a test, okay? I want you this week, and I'm going to challenge you to just take any type of piece of artwork whatsoever, any kind of artwork, and weld it to either numbers or letters to produce a piece of artwork and then make a shadow of it. Now, I'm going to give you just a word of caution. Your letters, although you can manipulate your artwork and increase your artwork without a shadow, you can't do it on your letters or your numbers. So whatever you choose for a letter or a number, make sure that the cartridge that you use has a shadow feature to it. Otherwise they won't line up, okay? I use the Gypsy Wanderings. Oops. I want to move that back. I use Gypsy Wanderings, I do believe. I'm going to double check it just to be sure. No, I used Sweethearts for the heart. I'm sorry. And then I used for the numbers, I used Birthday Cakes because they have that in a shadow feature and it's very simple. Normally I use the Mickey font, but I wanted something a little bit lighter since I was dealing with making a card for the 50th wedding anniversary. So as you can see, all I used was 3 pieces of art, considering that the numbers were 50 and the heart. Okay, and from there I welded together. I'm trying to keep this simple, but this is a test. I mean, every week I do something and every week I show you, but now it's for you to show me what you've learned so I know how to progress forward and what to be showing you. Now granted, there's a lot of you that are I mean, Gypsy users that could just run me ragged, and I shouldn't say run circles around what I do. But there's a lot of you that are new too. Well, I need to know where we stand and where to go forward. So this week it's a test. And I need you to link up whatever project you do, and remember, it's just taking a letter or a number and welding it to a piece of artwork. And if you can, make a shadow also. That way I know if you can do a shadow feature or not. Do a letter with a shadow. If you can't, I'm going to go back and I'm going to revisit that and I'm going to do it. So now you understand why I'm doing it. I just need to know where to progress, where to go forward with Gypsy Made Simple. Do I go into more complicated projects or keep it as simple as possible? So please, 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 this week link up. I know on the trifold card, not many people linked up, and now I've been doing some projects, and yes, I know it's summertime, but it only takes a few minutes to do a project. So please do take the time to link it up. Let me see what you have. A number or a letter welded to a piece of artwork. Okay? Thank you for joining us. And watch and see what I did with this, okay?